Aloha everyone and welcome to Island Driver TV. My name is Puna. We are out here today on beautiful Pearlridge for a wonderful car show event that benefits children's cancer research. Behind me, we have a beautiful and nitrous blue Ford Focus RS, and we'll tell you what's special about this one. But first, let's check out the event. When you attend a car show, you can't attend any car show without seeing a few imports. Now, I came across this beautiful DC5 owned by Jord. Jord, give me the shopping list, man.
Yeah, it's 06 DC5, obviously the last year of that model. A few things it has on there. It has the AirX full suspension from the struts up to the management. It got also a carbon fiber hood as Sibon. We got the smoke headlights. We also got the Avant GT wheels, which I really love on it. Surprisingly, when people look at it, they think it's a Type S or maybe Type R. It's actually a base model. So I really wanted to kind of prove to people that you don't have to have the top-end model to have it look good.
That's awesome, and I see you have your anti-theft device right there.
Oh yeah, I mean, that's one of the coolest things is the detachable steering wheel, and my wife got it, so I'm happy.
That's awesome, George. Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you.
Absolutely love muscle cars. Those of you who know me know that I own the 2004 Mustang GT. I couldn't help but notice this Mach 1. Brent, tell me all about it, man.
It's a 2004 Azure Blue Mustang Mach 1. Naturally aspirated, stage 1 cams. I got a full Bassani exhaust on it. Just basic bolt-ons. I got it lowered on suspension on H&R Super Sports. And SV Series 1 wheels, 18-inch staggered. And then Toyo was on the front. I have Falcon Zeniths on the back, 315s. It was basically just a restoration project, kind of bringing it back because the old owner kind of neglected it a little bit. So, you know, just had to give it a little bit of love. And I mean, it's basically what it is now.
Definitely, Brett. Thank you so much for your time, man.
Of course, of course.
As promised, we're back out here with this beautiful Ford Focus nitrous blue. Toby, what's going on, man?
How's it going?
Pretty good, pretty good. Tell me about your car.
So it's a 2017 Ford Focus RS. They only made it for 3 years. This is the second to the last year. It's a Ford exclusive color. They didn't get in STs, Mustangs, nothing. Exclusively the RS. It was a dream car of mine, I guess. When I finally got my job and then I could afford it, it's the first thing I did.
So I see it's not stock. Tell me what's going on.
So it's just some mainly cosmetic stuff, a little bit of carbon fiber, carbon mirrors, ABC pillars, bunch of carbon on the inside. It's the first first Focus RS in Hawaii on air, and also with these wheels. It's something I wanted to do since I was in high school, and I think it came out pretty good.
Air is definitely a proper investment for Hawaii and the vehicles here.
Oh yeah, for sure. I had a static car, and it was not fun. It's so much easier to press a button, go over the bumps, and then come back down, and you're good to go.
Fantastic, Toby. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
One of the things you find when you enter car shows is that you see many unique vehicles. Now, I came across this Toyota Supra. Jokes aside, Jordan, what drew you to purchase and say, I want to get a Toyota Supra?
So what drew me to this car is just the styling of the Toyota Supra behind it, right? And then the motor is obviously, people know, it's a BMW motor, BMW drivetrain, suspension. So I knew the car was going to handle well and perform well. So I wanted that motor and I wanted this car.
So do you drive it in sport mode? Do you pop popcorn?
Yeah, I drive in sport mode probably 95% of the time, yeah.
Fantastic, fantastic. Hey, thank you so much, Jordan. Walking around, we see amazing trophies. I just bumped into my buddy Keith. Keith, what are we doing out here, my man?
Hey, this is our first annual Aloha Motor Fest. All proceeds will go to child cancer research here locally.
It's a car show. What are we being judged on? What's the criteria? How can I have an upper hand?
Well, just so you know, I can't be too loud. We have secret judging. We have 10 different categories. So we've got the low riders, the underglow lighting, trucks, SUVs, you name it. We're going to judge it, and we're giving this nice trophy.
That's fantastic. Hey, thank you so much for having us out here, man. This is such an awesome event.
This is awesome. Thank you so much.
Coming up, we'll be comparing two engines. Find out which one's your favorite. Don't go anywhere. Island Driver TV.